Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or trolls who use my video content and titles in their videos while holding skeleton dance parties in their hot tub. All right, not much in the mail today. I got the bill from T-Mobile. I paid off the bill. There's zero balance. So the old bill was paid off for those who think I never pay my bills. Gave them $7.95 last week, and now we have an envelope. So I will open it up. It's already opened. I did it to check, and I already pretty much knew what was in here. But Philadelphia ghost stories, chilling, true, haunted places stories in the most historic city in America. Charles Adams J. Adams III. The first comprehensive collection of Philadelphia ghost stories ever printed, with research assistance from the Philadelphia Ghost Hunters Alliance by the author of Cape May Ghost Stories, New York City Ghost Stories, Pocono Ghost Legends and Lore, Pennsylvania Dutch Country Ghost, and more. And they have the listing in the back, but let's see if I can find. There's a ghost over a building. Here's a ghost in the Franklin Room of the Philadelphia Inn. There's a ghost, chandeliers are moving. The kitchen of the Betsy Ross house, that's haunted. Here's the Betsy Ross house in 1905. A marker at the former WFIL studios in Philadelphia, home of Dick Clark's American Bandstand, that was haunted. Here is Salter's Main Gate Luncheonette, haunted by Uncle George, according to its owners and employees. No, I've never been there. Quarters A at, I guess, a military post, that's haunted. Let's see what else is in here. A lot of these old-time drawings, so here is the Eastern Pennsylvania prison that's now shut down. It's now a museum. That's haunted. Very infamous place. Al Capone stayed there. The statue of William Penn, apparently that's haunted. So that's this book, another edition of my paranormal collection, Philadelphia Ghost Stories. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe. Stay warm and dry or cool and dry. It's about 80 here. It's very warm all day here. Cats have all been fed. I'm going to take a nap after the next video. Have a great night, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.